Guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how to clean your wheels. We're going to be using this Turtle Wheel Axe Red Line Wheel Cleaner. What it does is you spray it on your alloy when it's dirty. You then just leave it to bleed off, and obviously it bleeds all your brake dust off in red. So I thought I'd show you in this car instead of my car, just because you can see the dirt and that easy, and you'll be able to see it bleed better on a silver. Right guys, so as you just saw from that time lapse, we left it 5 minutes. As you can see, all the brake dust is turned red. What we're going to do now is just check watch the whole wheel to get rid of all the dirt. Alright, so now that's all clean, as you can see, crystal clear. What we're going to do is dry it all off and then apply our favourite wax. We are going to put some ceramic on this, which is going to offer it a protection layer from scratches and such, and also be easier to jet wash in future. Right, so as you can see now, all crystal clear. We've added some Auto Finesse triple wax on and polish just to keep them nice and clean. So yeah, thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.